Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, hope you all are doing wonderful. And yes, today we are going to talk about Moon being your Atmakaraka planet. In our chart, there is a particular planet which plays very important role throughout our life, even though it is in good strength or no, but still being Atmakaraka as per Jaimini Sutra and this Karka theory, this Karka significations really work very fantastically in our life events, and it is very much helpful in readings also, in predictions also, and definitely along with our Vedic system, definitely this system also helps a lot. Whenever we are talking about Atmakaraka planet, everyone knows the highest degree planet holding planet is called as Atmakaraka planet. And whenever we see that Moon is becoming your Atmakaraka planet, that means whichever sign this Moon is holding, like Moon is in whichever sign, that house becomes significator house of your chart. First thing. Second thing, wherever this Moon sign is going, like Moon belongs to Cancer sign, it doesn't have any other Rashi. So wherever your Cancer sign is going in your chart, that becomes a prominent house for you, and your whole life will be rotating towards this house only. Moon, whenever becoming your prominent planet, being soul planet or Atmakaraka planet, which is indicating long lasting evidences from your last birth, and those evidences you are utilizing in this birth to give your performance at your fullest. As you know, the meaning of Moon, as you know, the characteristic of Moon, that it is very emotional, full of water, sentimental, as well as Moon has lot and lot of you know lot of energy in it, in terms of uh, giving of the things, or just flowing, like it likes to be in a free flow always. And when some stagnant movements come in your life, this Moon becomes very disturbed. So Moon, if is your Atmakaraka planet, you become disturbed very fast, unless and until your life is going smooth, or things are at least favorable, or things are not very disturbed, you do not get disturbed fast. But once the things are little bit also disturbed, for other people who are not having Atmakaraka as Moon, for them maybe it is a manageable situation, or it can be calculative situation for them, they can figure it out anyway. But for you it becomes very difficult to get off from that thought also. If something is not as per your will and wish, then also you become so much nervous, even though you have everything. But for few days, if you are not getting that particular thing which you are getting every time, say it could be affection, love, or being with somebody, it could be financially money flow, it can be help from your friends or meeting your friends, and somehow due to some or other reason, if this normal situation gets stagnant, or normal situation get distracted, then definitely it is distracting your mind too. That is why Atmakaraka planet is called as a soul planet. In your whole life, in your whole body structure, this Moon is playing vital role. And this Moon, wherever posited, like in Navmansha, definitely we have to assess this Moon in a much better way. Definitely you have to see this Moon position in D1 chart also, if you want to rule out the exact fruit of this Atmakaraka Moon. In Navmansha, as we see all these Karakas through Navmansh Kundali only. So in Navmansha, if this Moon is posited in Vargottama position, or if this Moon is in first house of chart, or fifth house of chart, or ninth house of chart, then definitely we can say that throughout your life, this Moon will be your support system, your moral system for you. If this Moon sign is very much connected towards your Artha Trikonas like second, sixth, and 10th house, then definitely this will always drive you towards giving services, work, or earning money, accumulation of money, because moon is also free flow. And when Atmakaraka moon is there for you, then this moon will always see that you are being always cheerful personality for others. Always you are in a happy mood for others. Nobody can take out the actual situation of your mind and your soul. Your soul is very pure, very pious, but at the same time, you get hurt, you get disturbed very fast. This Atmakaraka planet, whenever is in your chart, through your many birth, this moon has become the major pioneer of your any life, including this life. That means you have been always striving for getting emotional support. That is why in this life, you are always looking for emotional support. You are always looking for care, love, affection. You are always looking for free flow of everything in your life. Like abundance you want. You always feel scarcity of the things in your life. That is Atma Karaka moon. This is the basic thing what I am trying to convey you. Then other things comes into action, like which nakshatra this moon is posited with, which planet this moon is posited, which house this moon is posited. Definitely if your first house is majorly connected with this moon, then always you are thinking about yourself more. Like sometimes you become very self-centered person, like you give so much importance to yourself and your own emotions. So this is like you have to derive that if your Atmakaraka moon is going in second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then definitely as per that house signification, you will be getting fruits of this Atmakaraka planet. Don't forget, this is a Atmakarak. Atma means your soul. Atman means you yourself. Your inner soul is moon. Moon is always in a full motion at the time of Purnima. 16 kalas, this moon is, moon is rising, and that is why we always say that Sri Krishna has a exalted moon. Like people having exalted moon, they also have this tendency of managing the situation as per their will and wish. No doubt these people are highly emotional people, very helpful by nature, but at the same time they know how to become diplomatic also. In spite of being highly emotional people, they know how to manage the things. But this moon will always drive you towards some deep hidden things of your life. Always you are in a thirst of getting something or other in your life, and that is why Atmakaraka moon people always have to nourish their body with enough water, because they usually get problem of dryness of skin. People having Atmakaraka moon, you just observe in these people, even though moon is ruling water body of your whole structure, but still you have to nourish your body with proper water intake, and do not let your body and your thoughts dry in this uh, in this way that you need immediate uh, help of medicine or something. And definitely skin problems, or I'm talking on medical point of view. But other than that, this moon is a queen planet of this Grahamala. That is why people having moon as Atmakaraka planet are always living like a queen only, or even though it is a male person or female person, they always want to do things on their own terms and condition. They are very moody, their temperament changes as per the situation. Sometimes they are in a bubbly mood, sometimes they are low. So yes, here always they have to maintain their dignity of thoughts, and this dignity of thoughts will always drives them on correct path. So this was all about Atmakaraka planet as a moon. Next time I will take another planet as your Atmakaraka and we will discuss about that. So stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.